This is my brother on the floor, hiccuping and snoring at the same time. And third rock from the sun. Hello.